So this is our in wall, and this is kind of the midpoint of the project construction. And being able to document before sheetrock is installed, before ceilings are installed, this really is an incredible tool for our project teams. And you can actually see a lot of the plywood backing that's up there because of the use of the ability to dimension from those from the floor up to those backing locations. It's honestly been a game changer for our teams, specifically in our healthcare space, where there's a lot of systems and a lot of equipment that gets attached and installed on those walls. For our superintendents to be able to come back in here months down the road when they're starting to install equipment at the very end of the project and confirm backing location. This is probably one of the most utilized pieces of our library and content that we have, just simply because it gives an easier way to be able to document for our project teams.